Hello guys, welcome. I'm gonna show you how to make this ship. It's good, right? It's so good. This is not kind of like float in water. I'm not 100% if it can. If you guys want to, kind of test it if you want. It's more like a display item. I can show it to you like a display item. Just wait a sec. That's how it would look like. Never mind about that. I'm gonna show you how to make this. It requires no glue. First, get a square sheet of paper, as I have, and then make a line and then bend it like this in the center. And then you get a triangle. Do you guys like it? And after that, make it like this kind of thing. Wait, I'm gonna show my face. I don't really care. So after you make this, you take this, like this L kind of shaped thing, like this, and then you kind of bend it like this. Not too much, not too little. So it's kind of good if you put like that much space. And kind of bend this kind of forward so you get this good angle. Look how good it is. But these two does not look the same. And after you do that, you know this back, it could just fall down. So to prevent that, but this one doesn't have that falling feature. How did I repel that? So then, after you get this, turn it the other side and then bend it the opposite way. Look. Look, you get a perfect ship. After this, then you open it back up fully, like a back into a square. You must get this kind of folding thing. Like it has to be like the same size on each end and then kind of merges into the middle with a stick in it. Then you just kind of bend it like, after you get this, then you kind of, this center point, flip the paper, turn it around. This point over here where it all meets the folds, bend it over there, and then you kind of get this kind of thing, and then you get this, and then this piece you hold it like this and pull it, and then this you fold it, and then you straighten it up. Done. You get it. But that still does not look anything alike like this. You can see it does look alike. I can put it like this. Just the thing that this. Now I'm going to teach you how to make this thing. This top part. Then you do kind of the same thing. You take like a little gap, like almost that much. Just that much. Like this tiny bit. You kind of take a little bit and then kind of bend it. A little is good. Like this little is good. Like it has to be like half the size of this. How much ever you make this, half the size of this. Good. Yes, sir. And then bend it the other way. And then fold it back up. Now just take a little bit more up. I'm saying a little bit. Little. Like this front part. Like half of that. That's how much you need on the side, on the top. Make that much gap and do the same thing like this. Do the folding up and down. And then you kind of split this like that. And then you kind of do the same thing. This side, you kind of bend. You get that. And then you kind of get this kind of shape. So you get kind of like a one floor float. Not as good as this one, but it is kind of similar. Then this inside part, you remember then I made this bend over here? Take it back up, and then you kind of bend it like this. In the exact same spot, you get this. Not quite the same as this, but looking similar. Then you take this thing, this triangle thing, bend it like, take like this much, this much size, this much size of gap. And then kind of just take it and make the V-shape thing again, and then kind of bend it down like that. So you get this V shape. So you have this thing, you have this back end, kind of open it, and then you kind of push this down. Don't push it completely down. Just hold it like this and then push it down like that. And then you bend it, crease it. And then you get kind of same. But you guys, you could stop here. It still looks good. But I'm taking a step ahead. And then you kind of push it down till this point meets this line. Okay, push, 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 push. And then you hold and then bend like that. Then you get your ship.